Hi, April 22nd is Earth Day, and wanted to come up with a great project for kids that really celebrates and honors Earth Day. So what I came up with is a pollinator garden for your patio or balcony, using some of the easy to grow annuals that attract pollinators like hummingbirds, butterflies, and bees. Things like petunias, alyssum, and marigolds are all really easy to grow annuals that are fabulous that way. I'm Scott Pierce from Gardenworks, and give you some ideas of something you can do with your kid for Earth Day. Keeping to the Earth Day theme and sustainability, try and find a used pot that you can reuse. That helps kids learn about the sustainability and not everything has to be new. So there we have a really fun and easy pollinator-friendly garden that you can put on your patio or your balcony, and something really easy for you to do with your kids. Another thing that works really well with kids is having these little ideas like hands-on making plant tags on the rocks is fun, very organic and sustainable. And the other thing I really suggest you do is have them come along to the garden center and choose the plants for themselves. There's nothing more fun and to get you more engaged in a project than to be able to make those choices. We ended up with marigolds, petunias, salvia, and the sweet alyssum. Have some fun, create a project of your own, and celebrate Earth Day.